Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section, reset options, and select the option reset all settings, then tap reset settings, and once again, and after that all the system settings will be reset to its defaults. Phone restarts. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.